Ladies and gentlemen, United Nations Secretary General said humanity is waging a suicidal war against our planet. Over 12,000 years, natural greenhouse gases surrounding our planet have been keeping our average global temperatures at 14 degrees. Otherwise, our planet would be minus 30 degrees Celsius and inhabitable. What is happening is the sun's radiant heat is coming into the earth, is being reflected back as infrared, and then is coming back into the earth, warming it. But since the Industrial Revolution, temperature has risen steadily by 1.23 degrees Celsius, and this is because of the greenhouse gases. In particular, carbon dioxide, which forms 80% of the problem. This carbon dioxide largely comes from traffic, industry, and also energy. This carbon dioxide has increased exponentially since the Industrial Revolution. 2021 was the hottest year on record. This red line here is 3 to 5 degrees rise by the end of the century, which would be catastrophic for our planet. Here, this blue line is less than 2 degrees rise by the end of the century. And the ocean temperatures have also significantly increased. Ladies and gentlemen, this increase in greenhouse gases is because globalization has increased energy demand. Industries that produce carbon dioxide have expanded globally. Transportation has increased. Agriculture and farming industries have expanded globally with more methane from both ends of the cow. The world's population that uses energy has doubled. Urbanization has increased, with more cement use contributing to 6% of greenhouse gases. Carbon capture has decreased, with deforestation, soil degradation, and warming seas. Let me dispel one myth. Solar activity periodically waxes and wanes over an 11-year cycle. So one would expect the temperatures to go up and down and average out, but this is not the case. However, scientists do concede that this only probably contributes to approximately 10% of the problem. So, ladies and gentlemen, what further proof do we need when we ask ourselves these questions? Why has the sea level risen by 16 centimeters in the last 100 years? Why has 50% of our land salinated? Why is snow at both poles melting, exposing ice to Earth with potentially more hydrocarbons buried under it? Why, for the first time, artificial snow is being used at the Winter Olympics? Why has the peak of Mount Everest, which took 2,000 years to create, melted in the last 25 years? Why are we getting more fires? And why are we getting more and more extreme weather? It is because of our anthropogenic activities. Anthropogenic meaning greenhouse gases created by humans over the last 150 years that have led to the speed of climate change, which we have never seen before. All of these effects are happening around the world. Air pollution we are seeing affecting babies even before they're born. Conflict and migration occurring. Starvation occurring due to the crop yield decreasing, and subsequently children dying. So, climate change in 10 words. It's us, it's real, scientists agree, it's catastrophic, but there's hope. And in the great words of Albert Einstein, he said, "The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything." We need to fight and protect our home for us and our future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, together we can do it.